Hello viewers, I am Muhammad Abdul Habib. Welcome you all to our application AIMS tutorial. In this video, we'll be discussing Unit 4, Chapter 5, Admission of a Partner, Practical Problems. Page number 246, question number 10. Vani and Rani are partners sharing profits and losses in ratio of 1:2 respectively. Their balance sheet as on 31st March. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2020 was given below. Liabilities amount rupees, assets amount rupees. तो पहले से पार्टनर्स कौन कौन है? वानी और रानी है। वो लोग के प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियोस 1:2 है, मतलब 1 + 2 3. जो भी अमाउंट बांटना है उसके 3 शेयर्स होंगे. 1 शेयर बिलोंग्स टू वानी, 2 शेयर्स बिलोंग्स टू रानी. Next, it is given as on 1st April 2020 they admitted money as partner for 1/4 share in profits of the firm. Conditions of admission are as under: money should bring rupees 30,000 as capital and 21,000 as goodwill in cash. तो नया पार्टनर कौन आ रहा? मनी. मनी के पास क्या है? मनी क्या है? अपने साथ 30,000 कैपिटल लेके आना, 21,000 गुडविल लेके आना. The assets are valued as follows: machinery 47,000, buildings 25,000, stock 38,000. Goodwill is to be retained in the business. मतलब न्यू पार्टनर से जो गुडविल का अमाउंट आ रहा है, it will be distributed among old partners and after distribution they will be retaining the amount of goodwill in the business. मतलब वो लोग withdraw नहीं कर रहे हैं. The new profit sharing ratio of Vani, Rani and money would be 1:2:1 respectively. मतलब ये प्रॉब्लम में ओल्ड रेशियो भी दिया हुआ है, न्यू रेशियो भी दिया हुआ है. Then we are required to calculate sacrificing ratio and the sacrificing ratio will be used only for distribution of goodwill. Give necessary ledger accounts and opening balance sheet. तो अपने को ledger accounts बनाना है, opening balance sheet बनाना है. So first we'll be calculating sacrificing ratio by using the formula old ratio minus new ratio. First one, old ratio is 1/3. 1/3 minus new ratio is 1 + 2 3, 3 + 1 4, 1/4. So 4 ones are 4 minus 3 divided by 3 4s are 12. So it is 1/12. Next we have old share is 2/3 minus new share is 2/4. So cross multiplying it, 4 2s are 8 minus 3 2s are 6 divided by 3 4s are 12. It is 2 divided by 12. So sacrificing ratio of Vani Rani is equals to 1:2, which is same as old ratio. क्योंकि वो लोग का old ratio भी 1:2 आया था, sacrificing ratio भी 1:2 ही आ रहा. So ये जो 1:2 का जो sacrificing ratio है अपने को कब काम में आता? Only at the time of distribution of goodwill काम में आएगा. So now let us start the problem. First we'll be preparing revaluation account. The format for which is date particular general folio amount rupees, date particular general folio amount rupees. Towards extreme left we'll be writing DR debit, towards extreme right we'll be writing CR credit. The rules for revaluation are: decrease in value of asset will be recorded on debit side, increase in value of asset will be recorded on credit side, increase in value of liability will be recorded on debit side, decrease in value of liability will be recorded on credit side. So the adjustments are given for the assets are revalued as machinery 47,000. ऊपर चेक करिए machinery कितना है? 50 है. 50,000 की चीज को 45,000 करना है. So the value of asset is being decreased. So it will be recorded on debit side as to machinery account. 50,000 से 47,000 हो रहा हो, 3,000 कम हो रहे. Then we have buildings 25,000. ऊपर buildings की value 20,000 है, उसको 25,000 करना है. There is increase in value of asset, so it will be recorded on credit side as by buildings account 5,000. तो पहले उसकी value क्या थी? It was 20,000. इसको अपने को 25,000 करना है. Next, after buildings we have stock 38,000. ऊपर stock की value क्या है? 40 है. 40 की चीज 38 करना है. So it is decrease in value of asset which will be recorded on debit side as to stock account 40,000 से 38 हो रहा 2,000. So now we have completed all the adjustments of revaluation with regards to assets. Now we'll be balancing revaluation account. The total on debit side is 3 + 2 5,000, whereas the total on credit side is also 5,000. So on both the sides we'll be writing the total as 5,000. And the total on both the sides of revaluation account is equal. तो इस बार अपने को revaluation account में ना profit आ रहा ना loss आ रहा. Then after revaluation account, we'll be preparing cash account, the format for which is date, particulars, JF general folio amount rupees, date, particulars, general folio amount rupees. Towards extreme left, we'll be writing DR debit. Towards extreme right, we'll be writing CR credit, and the name of the account is cash account. Cash, as it is an asset, it will have debit balance, and cash will always be given on asset side of the question as cash. Here it is given as 18,000, so it will be recorded as to balance brought down 18,000. इसका क्या मतलब आता है, जिस दिन नया पार्टनर मनी बिजनेस में आ रहा है उस दिन पुराने पार्टनर्स वानी और रानी के पास कितना कैश है, 18,000 कैश है. अब मनी अपने साथ कैपिटल लेके आना, गुडविल लेके आना. सो मनी का कैपिटल कितना है, 30,000 है, गुडविल 21,000 है. सो कैश के रूल्स क्या है, पैसा आ रहा है डेबिट में लिखना. सो इट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड ऑन डेबिट साइड एज टू मनी कैपिटल 30,000 टू गुडविल 21,000. तो पहले से ओल्ड पार्टनर्स के पास 18,000 थे, अब न्यू पार्टनर अपने साथ 30,000 कैपिटल ला रहे, तो 30 प्लस 18 48 हो गए. फिर गुडविल 21 ला रहे, 40 प्लस 20 60, 60 प्लस 8 68 प्लस 1 69. तो अब ये लोगों के पास कितना पैसा है, 69,000 है. अब अपने को गुडविल का अमाउंट भी रिटेन करना है, तो कुछ भी विथड्रॉ करना नहीं है. सो कैश का बैलेंसिंग कर देंगे. द टोटल ऑन डेबिट साइड इज 69,000, whereas the total on credit side is 0. So on both the sides we'll be writing the highest value as 69, 69. 69,000 will be recorded on debit side, 69,000 will be recorded on credit side. Subtracting 0 from it, we'll be balancing it as by balance carried on 69,000. The same will be recorded on opposite side as to balance brought down 69,000. After cash account, we'll be preparing goodwill account, the format for which is date, particulars, general folio amount rupees, date, particulars, general folio amount rupees. Towards extreme left, we'll be writing DR debit. Towards extreme right, we'll be writing CR credit, and the name of the account will be taken as goodwill account. So how do we prepare goodwill account? As we have recorded the name of goodwill in cash account, now we'll be writing the name of cash in goodwill account. कैश के अकाउंट में गुडविल का नाम लिखे थे, गुडविल के अकाउंट में कैश का नाम लिखेंगे. उधर डेबिट में लिखे थे, इधर क्रेडिट में लिखेंगे. सो कैश के अकाउंट में टू गुडविल 21 लिखे थे, अब गुडविल के अकाउंट में बाय कैश 21,000 लिखेंगे. अब ये पैसा क्या करेंगे, पुराने पार्टनर्स में बांटेंगे, वानी और रानी में बांटेंगे. कौन से रेशियो में बांटेंगे, सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो में बांटेंगे, जो 1:3 आया था. अपने को कैलकुलेट करें तो कितना 1:2 आया. सो 1/3 2/3. So it will be distributed as to Vani capital account 21,000 into 1/3 to Rani capital account 21,000 into 1/3. 21,000 when divided into 3 shares, the value of each share will be for 7,000. As Vani has only one share, she'll be getting 7,000. As Rani has 2 shares, she'll be getting 14,000. And when we balance goodwill account, the total on both the sides will be same, 21,000, 21,000. 7 plus 4, 14, 21, 21. After goodwill account, we need to check with 2 items. One is general reserves and next is profit and loss account. If these 2 names are given in the question, we'll be preparing these accounts. Otherwise, we'll be continuing with partners capital. But here we have given with general reserves 15,000. So we'll be preparing general reserves account. As it is a liability, it will have credit balance and will be shown as by balance brought down 15,000. The format for general reserves is date, particular, general folio amount rupees, date, particular, general folio amount rupees. Towards extreme left, we'll be writing DR debit. Towards extreme right, we'll be writing CR credit. As it is a liability, it will be recorded as credit balance as by balance brought down 15,000. What is general reserves? It is the amount maintained by old partners in the business from old profits in order to meet future contingencies. So at the time of admission of new partner, this amount should be closed by transferring it to old partners capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. So this will be closed by transferring it to Vani and Rani capital in their old profit sharing ratio 1:2, which is 1/3 for Vani, 2/3 for Rani. So this will be recorded as to Vani capital account 15,000 into 1/3. So 15,000 when divided into 3 shares, the value of each share will be for 5,000. As Vani has 1 share, she'll be getting 5,000. As Rani has 2 shares, she'll be getting 10,000. When we balance general reserves account, the total on both the sides will be the same, 15,000, 15,000. Then we do not have profit and loss specified in the question, neither on liability side nor on asset side. So now we'll be continuing with partners capital account, for which the format is particulars Vani amount rupees, Rani amount rupees, money amount rupees, particulars Vani amount rupees, Rani amount rupees, money amount rupees. Towards extreme left, we'll be writing DR debit. Towards extreme right, we'll be writing CR credit, and the name of the account will be taken as partners capital account. How do we start this? We'll be starting this with by balance brought down, and we'll be writing the amount by seeing the capital values of Vani and Rani on liability side of the question. Vani capital is 30,000, Rani capital is 60,000. So this will be recorded on credit side as by balance brought down, 30,000 for Vani, 60,000 for Rani. Then who is being admitted into the business? Money. So when money has paid for capital, the name of money was recorded on debit side of cash account. So in cash account, we have recorded the name of money capital. So now in money capital, we'll be writing the name of cash. Here it was recorded on debit side. Here it will be recorded on credit side as by cash 30,000. Then in goodwill account, we have recorded the name of Vani and Rani. So in Vani and Rani, now we'll be writing the name of goodwill. Here it was recorded on debit side. There it will be recorded on credit side as by goodwill 7,000, 14,000. Then in general reserves, we have recorded the name of Vani and Rani. So in Vani and Rani, we'll be writing the name of general reserves. Here it is recorded on debit side. Here it will be recorded on credit side as by general reserve 5,000, 10,000. Then if in revaluation it was profit, we would have recorded the name of partners in revaluation account, then we would have recorded the name of revaluation in partners capital account. But in this problem, there is neither profit on revaluation nor there is loss on revaluation. So we are not going to record the name of revaluation in partners capital account. Now balancing partners capital account, the total of Vani is 30 plus 7, 37 plus 5, 42,000, whereas for Rani it is 60, 70, 84,000, whereas for money it is 30,000. So on both the sides, the total will be recorded as 42,000, 42,000 for Vani, 84,000, 84,000 for Rani, 30,000, 30,000 for money. And in order to make it equal, it will be recorded here as to balance carried on 42,000 for Vani, 84,000 for Rani, 30,000 for money. And the same will be brought down on opposite side as by balance brought down 42,000 for Vani, 84,000 for Rani, and 30,000 for money. Now we'll be preparing new balance sheet of Vani, Rani and money as on 1st April 2020. The format for which will be liabilities amount rupees, assets amount rupees, starting with capitals. The capitals of Vani, Rani and money are 42,000, 84,000 and 30,000. So these values will be shown as 42, 84 and 30,000. Then have a look of old balance sheet and then complete new balance sheet. पुरानी balance sheet को देखते हुए नई balance sheet complete करना है. Bank overdraft 20,000. Bank overdraft पे कुछ भी adjustment नहीं करे, तो जैसा है वैसा बताएंगे आप liabilities में. Bank overdraft 20,000. After bank overdraft we have sundry creditors 35,000. इसको भी कुछ नहीं करे तो जैसा है वैसा बताएंगे. Sundry creditors 35,000. Then after sundry creditors we have जनरल रिजर्व 15,000. ये पुराना अमाउंट था, इसको बांट के क्लोज के खत्म कर दिए, तो इसको क्लोज करके खत्म कर दिए, तो दोबारा नई बैलेंस शीट में इसको नहीं बताएंगे. सो नाउ वी हैव कंप्लीटेड ऑल द आइटम्स व्हिच आर गिवन एज लायबिलिटीज. नाउ लेट अस हैव ए लुक ऑफ द आइटम्स व्हिच आर गिवन ऑन एसेट साइड. से इट इज कैश इज गिवन एज 18,000. ये पुराना अमाउंट था जो नया बंदा आने से पहले वो लोगों के पास था. अब नया बंदा आने के बाद इन लोगों के पास कितना कैश है? 69,000 है. सो इन न्यू बैलेंस शीट कैश विल बी शोन एट 69,000. आफ्टर कैश 69,000 we have sundry debtors in the question 32,000. इस पे कुछ भी एडजस्टमेंट नहीं है, तो इसको जैसा है वैसा बताएंगे. sundry debtors 32,000. फिर इसके बाद अपने पास क्या है? स्टॉक है 40,000 जिसपे अपने को डेप्रिसिएशन देना है. सो 40 में से हम डेप्रिसिएशन 2,000 देके क्या बता रहे हैं? 38 बता रहे हैं. फिर वी हैव मशीनरीज. मशीनरी 50,000 है जिसको अपन 47 करना है. सो 50 माइनस 3 डेप्रिसिएशन 47 बताएंगे. बिल्डिंग्स जो 20 था उस पे 5,000 बढ़ा के 25,000 कर रहे हैं. Now we'll be doing the total on liability side and asset side and we'll balance it. 80 plus 40, 120, 120 plus 30, 150 plus 30, 180 plus 20, 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs 5,000, 2 lakhs 9,000, 2 lakh 11,000. The total on liability side is 2 lakh 11,000. Now we'll be doing the total on asset side. 60 plus 30, 90, 60 plus 40, 1 lakh, 1 lakh plus 30, 130, 130 plus 30, 160, 160 plus 20, 180, 60 plus 30, 90, 90 plus 30, 120, 120, 120 plus 120 plus 40, 160 plus 20, 180, 180, 189, 191, 199, 2 lakhs, 2 lakh 6,000 plus 5,000, 2 lakh 11,000. The total on asset side is also 2 lakh 11,000. So the total on liability side is 2 lakh 11,000. The total on asset side is 2 lakhs 11,000. Hope you have understood the topic. See you all in next video. Thank you.